Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today the video about how to identify IEEE conferences or IEEE upcoming conferences, how to publish project works or any researchers or academician want to publish their work in IEEE conferences. Okay, it is very interesting. Do not think about membership. You can browse information which are the conferences registered under IEEE or upcoming IEEE conferences. Very simple way. Let me go on to the video. Just type IEEE. Okay. Not only Institute of Electrical Electronics Engineer background domain, interdisciplinary domain, we can do it. Okay. Just type IEEE explore. Already it shows. Okay. See, as per the standard definitions, IEEE Explore Digital Library is a research database for discovery and access to journal articles, conference proceedings, technical standards and related materials on computer science, electrical engineering, electronics and so on. So format coverage, and I can say Springer and Scopus, elsewhere, all that database, no, it is research purpose. Same way here also. Okay. Next, now how to identify upcoming IEEE conferences. After entering in the web browser search engine, you will get website IEEE Explore. Just to click on it. Okay, now you are in the main page. Okay, there is IEEE org, Explore, IEEE SA, Spectrum, more sites. Okay, this video objective is only about how to identify the upcoming conferences. Okay, in the conference you can present your research idea or projects or article or manuscript. Once you have presented and your paper is accepted, means it will go to IEEE Explore database. Then within a short period it is transferred to Scopus index as a ISBN number. How you are doing other book chapter proceedings, international serial book number. So in IEEE Explore you will find your research work which is accepted and presented paper, as well as in the Scopus. Okay, let us move on to down. Okay, I entered main page, IEEE upcoming conferences, few conferences listed here. If you want to browse more, see all upcoming, just to click on it. List of conferences. Okay, if you want to browse or refine search, example, I want to find out conference date next 6 month, how many, 425 across the world. Then next, refine search based on your need, you can do it. Location, okay, country or region, it is divided as a region like a R10 R8 region. Let me move on to I stands for India, 39. Okay, then some other filter options are available, you can browse it. Okay, generally IEEE conferences, no, it is a okay, I will tell one example. 2021 International Conference on Industrial Electronics Research and Applications. The date of conference is mentioned here, the locations and the sponsors, field of interest, theme or domain. Okay, author can verify the domain. The conference date is 24 December, but acceptance and reviewing process, everything happened before 2 months, before 45 days. Okay, that is the main thing. They have standard procedures in the IEEE. So you will find a number of IEEE conferences in this website. Okay, let me go to skip 2 or 3 4 pages. Okay, fine. So this is the conference we will take example. Okay, not only electrical, electronics, interdisciplinary, renewable energy, material science, all the engineering sectors and management, other disciplinary research scholar, academician, they can go for artificial intelligence based papers, they can do it. Okay, machine learning or interdisciplinary, all the kind of research work or review work, article work, you can verify in the conference website portal. That is the one I am going to tell you. Now I want to know about this conference. These all information available only IEEE Explore portal only. Those who are conducting conferences under IEEE platform, they have to register in IEEE all the informations. Just I click the page. It is entering to another one. This is the main conference website, and the location map is under available. Conference website. Click on conference website. All the information about conferences, home, okay, committee. So any event organizer, they have different committees, okay, all in the proper channel. There is no intermediate anybody else. You have to submit in the okay relevant channel only. Call for papers. So it is about IEEE conference proceeding, which is abstracted in IEEE Explore database, then indexed in Scopus after the presentations and acceptance. Okay, see all the domains. Human computer interaction means okay, management paper, HRM, they can do it. Internet of Things and other interdisciplinary, you can see the track and see that generally. Okay, call for papers, deadline for full paper submissions. They have a format, IEEE format. You can download in general web browser or else in that conference website itself. IEEE has a double column paper format. Okay, before submitting, every author or submitting people, they have to strictly follow. Then notification, acceptance, author registration, conference, okay, the date. Once the conference is over, okay, they will ask you final draft or camera ready submissions. Once if you submitted means it will go to abstracting IEEE Explorer within 45 days. The next 45 days it is indexed in Scopus as a ISBN number, International Serial Book Number. Okay, that is a thing. Paper submission. Okay, that is event organizer. They may prefer EasyChair or EDIAS or mail, any channel, or the website itself they have provisions. And contact, basic all the informations for authors, it is given in the website. Which are the conferences going to abstract and index based IEEE only I am talking now. This is very simple. Okay, IEEE Bangalore section. If you are holding membership, you will get a discount waiving. Okay, another thing, if you don't have membership, you can publish. There is no rule for IEEE memberships. Okay, membership, that's fine. Let me move on to okay some other conferences. Very simple. After entering IEEE Explore website, you have to browse relevant information based on your need. Let me go to 2022 6th International Conference on Intelligent Computing and Control Systems. Okay, if your research work or article work or project work based on this all the titles, you can go for submissions. Okay, conference website. Many of them preparing okay less price conference, but indexing, abstracting, it is not a proper way. But IEEE, even though if they do charging, asking money for a research scholar or presenter for the database maintenance and the proper channel of publications. Okay, whom committee, call for papers, keynote, submission, publication. Just I want to show. See, publications, all the information very relevant. Okay, these are the informations. Registration. Okay, it is a relevant fee only. Indian author and foreign author. See, for the students, the price, non-IEEE members, and payment, everything proper channels, downloads, copyright form, brochure, and other things. Template, I told you, different type of templates are available. You can download from a common portal also. Call for papers. All the informations are affiliated through IEEE Explore database, so you can trust it. So very simple way, just to type IEEE Explore homepage, then go to end of the page, you will find see all upcoming, then browse the conferences based on your need, based on your research work, then you can submit it. Those who are interested, they can follow it. To submit IEEE conferences, your paper, no need a membership. If you are membership, you will get a more benefit apart from that one. Okay, thank you for listening. I hope it is very useful to everybody. You can share to everyone, those who are seeking informations. Okay, thank you one and all. We will meet you in another video.